Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deandra. Today we're going to be watching some ENHYPEN videos. So I did watch Sweet Venom when that went up, but for whatever reason I didn't ever edit it and upload it. So I will be doing so in this video. But today in this getup, we're going to be watching the Fatal Trouble video, which is the Dark Moon special album memorabilia, and then we'll also be watching the dance practice. I do have the... Oops, stop it. I have the album that I haven't opened yet, so I can open that at the end as well. I really enjoyed the last album. What was it? Oh my god, why can't I ever think of what things are? Orange Blood. I loved Still Monster. Truthfully, it was probably my favorite song off of the album. Criminal Love, I'm obsessed with, but that wasn't really like on an album, but I've watched the special stage so many times. But that's besides the point. Today we're going to be watching ENHYPEN's new song, our video for their new song, Sweet Venom. So we're going to be watching the music video and the dance practice. Yeah, so let's just get on in the video. Also, this is a very short song. Really like funky. Vocals, man. Ooh. Okay, it's very like Michael Jackson-y. So we're switching places because wasn't Jay there earlier? Oh yeah. Man. Ooh. Ooh. Integrating other media. Ooh.
Venom.
Ooh. Oh. I wish the song was longer. Why is it so short? I'm gonna see, cause I never looked to see how many songs are on an album. I even have them. I opened them and I got Sunghoon and Jay in both versions, which was funny. Okay, 7. Oh wait, didn't we say we weren't? I don't know anything about Bella Poarch. All I know is that people don't like her. Or Porch, is it? Yeah, Porch. People don't like her. And so I know she has a song, a version of this song with them. So I just deleted it from my library because I don't, if she's problematic. I think she has something to do with the tattoo as like Japanese imperialism. Is that correct? And then something else. I don't know. I have no idea who she was. I didn't even know she was a singer. I knew her name, but like I don't know what she does. But I don't want to support someone who's not great. So yeah, so we have minus that version, 6 songs. We have an English version of Sweet Venom. So yeah, I'm excited to hear this album. I really like them. Okay, so let's go into the dance practice and let's resize our video. Yeah, why is this song so short? It's so weird, right? Okay. But they all sound really nice vocally. Also, I wish Studio Tube let me upload their videos, but they always get blocked. Ooh. Man, dancing is amazing. Ooh. This clicks of their feet is just so satisfying. Man, I love Nikki in the center for this. Ooh. It said shoulders. Like feet. I love hearing it.
Venom.
I need a longer song. I don't know why it's so short. Like, I feel unsatisfied with the length of the song. Like, I want more of the song. I want longer song. I really like them musically. I feel like they're really good. And I love their like vampire concept. This doesn't really go with that. Obviously, I don't know with this, because I don't fully know what their like full storyline is. Like, I know they have one, but I don't know like exactly what it is. But I know like Bite Me and Sacrifice definitely went with the storyline. This I don't feel like goes with that. I like the song, but it doesn't fit with the continuation of the story, I don't think. But it was really cool in the video how like we kind of have this sort of like wandering camera. I sort of like that. Also, I did see they did a mannequin challenge with this. I didn't watch it, but I saw like mannequin challenge, and I was like, why are we doing a mannequin challenge? That's such a like an old challenge. It seems so random to me, but it makes sense because that's like what their video was. It's just like a wandering camera going through, which I feel like is really cool. I like that. So it did make sense. Also, I did see that Jake and Felix did some stuff together, so that was really fun. We love our Aussie lines and our Aussie members of groups, so that was really cool to see them do something. And I don't know what game they were playing. I don't know. It was funny, though. They kept messing up. So we're going to be watching the Fatal Trouble video, and then, like I said, the dance practice. Also, the Nikki Artist of the Month. So good. He killed it. Amazing dancer. I love the way he moves and just, like, so captivating. Also, besides the point. Okay, so I know this is, like, okay, so based on, like, a scrolling, this is just their little... I don't have any experience with the Dark Moon webtoon or whatever that exactly is. I'm sorry, forgive my ignorance. So just I'm assuming each one of them is a little character here. Is that correct? So it looks like it's just like them on the train, but I would assume we're hearing the song. I don't know who's who. Is that on fire? Beautiful vocals. Do we see any of Team in their story? Because I know there is connection, but I don't know if we see them in each other's Les gâteaux de gout. Gâteau. I love saying that. There was a while, I don't know why. I have no idea why, but for a while I just kept saying gâteau. I know my French is not good. Okay, so let's go in the dance practice. I really love the way that Jongwon dances as well. Ooh. Beautiful vocaling. So smooth. How did they make that look so easy? I do prefer non-moving versions of the dance practice, but fine. Also, Jake's hair is really long. I really like their choreography as well. Choreography like that, going around with one central person in the middle. Ooh, it's kind of like a sassy ending. I wish the song was longer. It's a little short in my opinion, but you know, it's fine. Okay, sorry, I just wanted to see what songs were on here. Oh, we got some. Oh, Criminal Love is on here. Cool. Okay, cool. Not that I don't have it digitally, but we have some subunit Teeth with Jongwon, Hisung, Sonu, and Nikki, and then Lucifer with Jake, and Sunghoon. Neat. Okay, so let's open up this bad boy. I love this sort of like, I love a cool collectible box. I love storing like trinkets. What do we got? Okay, this looks like a matchbox. Railgun. A QR code. What means never lose. I don't know what that goes to. Ooh. It's like we're in school. I like this keychain. We're in the Mary Von house, room 203. I'm assuming, are they all the same or are they all different? I don't want to pronounce that. Like a, what do you call this? Cup thing? White Fang Cafe. Ooh, it's like we're, honestly, I'm assuming this all goes with, like, the lore. I'm sorry, and the story as well, but I don't follow it, so I don't know what any of it means, but I like it. I love the little cool, just like, I was gonna say a word, but now I can't think of it. Ooh, the album looks like a vinyl. Well, how do you say it? Oh my god, how embarrassing. I didn't do that. What are you talking about? Yeah, like, it's very, it kind of feels like a game. Like, I love these little, like, things. Okay, so our ID, Heli. Okay, so these are not the members. Public library. I don't actually have a library card. Immigration and naturalization services. These are neat. I'm sure anyone that already opened this already has it. Oops. I like it. They're like laminated. This is like 100% like right up my alley. Surgeon? I don't think he's old enough to be a surgeon. Firearms license. Ballet company. Pilot. Wow. I thought we were students. Okay, so that goes in there. Name card. Oh, these are like, it's like, what's the, like, not novelty, but like kind of, I can't think of what I'm trying to say. Whatever this word that I can't pronounce. It feels very Eastern European. Master Heli. To my home. Ooh. Textures? Oh, this is cool. White Fang Cafe. Yeah, so one of them owner is Solon. Taxi service, senior programmer. Wow, just like there's a lot of attention to detail. This looks like Russian or like an Eastern Slavic sort of alphabet. Got some stickers, swordy looking thing. Don't forget. Ooh, I like that. Like a crest. Fragile, handle with care. Okay, we got. Okay, first. Okay, so we get a photo card with each of the little characters. Cool vibes. Obviously, he's the pilot. This guy cannot be a surgeon. He looks too young. I'll do my photo cards last. We got a ticket to Valentine's Day dance. I never had one of those. Are these stickers or are they tattoos? I think they're stickers because they're the right way. Cute. Postcards. Okay. Okay, so then these are our counterparts because they're in the same location in the photo, I'm assuming. So Jay is the surgeon. Okay, Jay. And then our 2 photo cards. Who we got? Jay and Heesung. Oh, they're cute. I like these. I love this sort of vibe. I love this attention to like detail. It all fits with the theme. I don't know the story, so I don't really know what it goes with or like how that works, but I really like all the things that it comes with. That's really neat. Okay, so I'll put everything in my box for now. So yeah, I'm excited to hear the other songs that we haven't heard. I'm excited to hear the subunit sort of groups that we're having, which is really cool. I really like ENHYPEN. I really like all their songs and their music. I feel like they're really talented. It's incredible dancers, just cool lore, and I really enjoy their music videos. I feel like as of late, Sweet Venom had a very different feel visually to like the last. Well, actually, most of their music videos, like their like title tracks and whatnot, had a very different feel to it. It felt like it's very modern, 80s sort of, also like Michael Jackson-y vibes to it. But still, Monster was my favorite one off of that album. So yeah, so thanks for watching today. If you like the content you've been seeing, like the video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at TKReact. You can also support me and my friends' online K-pop store, K-pop Utopia. We're at K-pop Utopia LA on our socials. We're the most active on Instagram, so give us a follow there. Our website is kpoputopia.com. You could use code DKReact to get 10% off your order at checkout. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching and take care. Bye!